Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shayna from Kaiyuni Kreations, and thank you for joining me today, and welcome to another video. For those of you who subscribed recently, I am grateful for that, and thank you for liking and sharing as well. Today's video, we are going to do something that is just in time for the holidays. We're going to convert these plain old chalkboard placeholders into something that you can use for your Thanksgiving table. So stay tuned. So here's what you will need. Burlap fabric, natural raffia, and of course your chalkboard placeholder that you're going to be transforming. And this is what they look like separated out. These are in the shape of a pumpkin. So we're just going to make them interesting and fun for your table. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I did was to braid the raffia. And this is just over 1/8 of an inch wide. So it's not very big. So you make a nice tight braid with that. And of course you have your placeholder. And then we're going to cut the fabric around it like this. So here we go.